Now let us see a few more demonstrations around the string and the numerical functions. So I have a products table which includes product ID, product name and price. I am inserting 3 products into it. Product here is an identity 1,1 indicating that it is starting from number 1 and an increment of 1 each time. So let us look into capitalizing the first letter of product names. So I want to capitalize only the first letter. So to get that first letter, it is the left of product name, comma 1. This will give me the first character. And to get the remaining characters, it will be starting from character number 2 till the last one. I'm looking for all the characters. So that will be substring. And that has to be put in lowercase. So this will be this gives me everything else in small. Only the first letter is capitalized, as you can see. Now let us look at updating the price. So I want to, wherever the price is less than 20, I want to increase it by 10%. So I have 15.5. So a 10% will be a 1.5. So this should become 17. This will become, this will also see a 10% increase. So I update the values. And here I will show the output. So here this has given me 17.05. This is also been increased. This is retained as it is. Now let us take another example where I have the patient's table, patient ID, the name and the age, and I insert few details. Let us see how we can extract the first name and the last name. So to get the first name, I should start extracting from the left and I should extract till I see a space -1 because I do not want to extract a space. Then there is from the right, that is I am looking for the number of characters till I see a space here. So this will give me the last name. So like this I can know the first name and the last name. Basically it will get separated in 2 parts where the first name is put separately, and if there is any middle name and the last name, that goes in separately. Now we are for the age of the patient, I want to include height, weight and BMI also. So I alter the table, and for altering the table, for adding those additional column, I make use of alter table command, alter table patients, add the column and the data type. So here decimal 5,2 is being used. Then I should update patient's height and weight. So patient's height and weight is updated here. So for patient 1, 2 and 3. Now to calculate the BMI, for all the patients, it can be done using update the patient's table, set BMI is equal to weight by height square, and that value has to be rounded by 2, and that will give me all the BMIs. So now the patient's table will have 6 features: patient ID, name, age, this is the height and the weight and the BMI. Let us consider another example like a student's table. I am inserting 3 student names. So I can generate some kind of passwords for the users where I make use of reverse. That is, I take the first name of the student and also include the reverse that first name and also include the student ID. So here Emma is the first name, so I get AMME, and then 1 is the student ID. I am altering the table to add marks so that I can demonstrate on numerical functions. I can update the marks. So this is by this I am also demonstrating how do we include any other column. So there is update, table name, set whatever I want, marks equal to 95, and for the first student it is marks equal to 95, second student marks equal to 80, and so on. And now depending upon the marks I want to assign grades. So student ID, student name, marks. So now when I want to make use of many if else, I can make use of case. Case when marks is more than 90 then A, when marks is more than 75 then put the grade as B, when marks is more than 50 then C, otherwise grade F. Ending the for loop and naming the column as grade. So this query will give A, B, and here this marks is less than 50, so it will be 45 is taken as an F. So this is how we can make use of string and the numerical functions for various domains.